Good morning. Today we will see how to interface an LCD display with an Arduino. So now let us see the connection part in the tinkerCad. Now this is the important part because there are many connections involved. Okay, I have taken one Arduino. Then I will take one LCD. LCD. So here I will write LCD. LCD. So 16 by 2 we are taking. So I will take 16 by 2 LCD display. Then I need an Arduino board. Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno board. This I have taken. Now the connection part. So as I said you, the first pin normally goes to ground. Here it is written also. So first pin will connect to ground. This is connected to ground. Then second pin is connected to power pin. So I will connect this to 5 volts. Then third pin is contrast pin, which is go to resistor or potentiometer. So first I will take a component that is potentiometer pot. So this is variable resistance potentiometer. And then what I will do is I will connect this to terminal. Terminal will be one will be connected to positive 5 volts. So again I will bring it here and I will connect to 5 volts here. One of the terminal will go to ground. And the middle terminal will go to pin number 3. Okay, this is done. Third pin is connected. Then fourth pin. Fourth pin is nothing but your resistor select pin that can be taken to any pin of Arduino. So let us say if I go line by line, I can take this on pin number 2 of Arduino. You can take any pin. I am taking line wise, so I am going for pin number 2. Then RW pin. This is by default to be given to ground. So I will connect it to ground. This is the connection. Let us say this is ground. We have to connect this to ground. So one ground is available here. If ground is not available, you have to use breadboard and make the ground connections. Then this fifth pin is enable pin, which will be used to any of the pin of Arduino. So if I have used 2, I will now use 3. So I am connecting here to 3. Then 4 pin D, this 1, 2 and 3. This will not be used because it is 8-bit. We are not using, we are going for 4 bits. So this next will be DB4 will be now connected to pin number. Let us say if I have used 3, I will use 4. This again I repeat, it is up to you which pin you want to connect where. Then this pin I will go for pin number 5. Then this pin I will go to pin number 6. And this pin I will go to pin number 7. Now this 2 pin remains. This is LED anode, which will go to positive 5 volts. So I will take this. I will connect it to 5 volts. And similarly, the last one, this will go to ground. So I will take the connection from here. And then I will put it to the ground. So this completes the connection part of a LCD display. Now going for the code, I will write the code here. So it is include #include. What we need to include? Library of liquid crystal. So LIQUID liquid crystal dot h. So this library has been included. Then we need to write liquid crystal, and we have to give the name to our LCD. So let us say I'm writing my LCD. So this is just a name given of some variable, and in bracket we have to write what are the pins we have used sequentially. So I've used 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is the advantage for using the pins sequentially. So this all comes under initial part. Then we have to go for void setup, in which we mention lcd.begin, because we need to display it on LCD, and I will write 16,2. And then we have to go for void loop. And I am writing this program because I want to explain you the different things. Void loop, let us say I will write now lcd.print. Here I will write Professor Nawaz. And let us say I will close the loop. Start the loop and close the loop. So that's it. I want to write only this much of the program to display on LCD. Here also I have not opened and close the brackets. Here semicolon. So let us say start simulation. There is error because there is spelling mistake. Liquid crystal. It is crystal. Okay. Now what is the problem? See, that's why I told that I will write the program and show you. Here I have given the name as my LCD, and here I am using only lcd.begin. So that's the error. Similarly, here I am writing only lcd.print. So I have to use the same name what I have given. So here I will write my LCD. Similarly, here also I will write my LCD. So whatever name you will give here, the same name should appear here also. Then again I will write start simulation. So now you can see that, okay, potentiometer we have to adjust. So you can see here it is displaying. Now because it is continuously posting Professor Nawaz I am on the screen, let me write delay. So I will stop simulation and I will write delay. Let us say for 5 seconds I want it to appear on the screen. And then let us say I will write lcd.clear. And then again I will write delay. 2 seconds. So for 2 seconds LCD will be cleared. And one more thing you notice is, it is telling here that it will be getting affected because there is no resistors used. So what you need to do is directly, instead of giving direct this supply 5 volts, what you do is put a resistor in between. So I will use a resistor. So I'll just connect a resistor here, and this resistor will be connected to this pin. And from here it will go to 5 volts. Now again, if I execute the program, the problem which we need to solve, then again start simulation. Again I made the mistake. I have written lcd.clear. It should be written my lcd.clear. Now you can see here it is working. Professor Nawaz I am. This will keep on the screen for 5 seconds. Then I have taken LCD clear for 2 seconds. And it will display like this. Now let us say after my name, I need to print in the next line my phone number. Okay. Or let us say I want to type IoT course. So what I will do, again I will go to code. After this I will write stop simulation. I will write my LCD dot print Let us say it is printing IoT lab, IoT lab. But now what will happen? It will print IoT lab on 0, 0 because we have not set the cursor. So now I will write my LCD dot set cursor, and I have to set the cursor, let us say at 7, 1. So it will be a 7th column and first row. That means second row because number is 1. And again I will write start simulation. Here the semicolon is missing. Okay, so here it is. I have put the semicolon and then again I will write start simulation. So you can see here Professor Nawaz I am. After 5 seconds, LCD is cleared. Okay, here I have not given delay, hence we are not able to see it. So I will now write here LCD.set cursor, then I will write delay. For let us say 3 seconds, I want to get it displayed and then it should be clear. So now it will work. So you can observe Professor Nawaz I am for 5 seconds. Then IoT lab, because I have written 7, 1, for 2 seconds it will be displayed and then LCD will be cleared. So this is how the entire LCD panel works. So I hope you have understood the connections and how to write a program to interface an LCD with an Arduino. So going back to our PPT. So this is all. Any command you can try and practice, and you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you.